Welcome back, grade 1. Let's have now the part 2 of our video. This is our lesson, math. Okay, so yesterday we talked about the lesson 4, compose new 2D shapes from 2D shapes. You can also open your book on page 775 until 776. Okay, here's our objective. For today's lesson, I can use shapes to make different shapes. Okay, here's our review time. Are you ready? Can you still remember? Okay, this is the new shape, which is the house. This house is composed of two smaller shapes. You can use the triangle and a square to make a house. In another example, the house became bigger. Why? Because when you put one rhombus and one square, the result will be this big. And if you will put another or two more squares down here, your house will become bigger. So this lesson, we will be learning how to form or make a new shape by using different smaller shapes. Okay, just like this one. Okay, here we can see that this shape is the result of two triangles and one square. The same with this shape. And the next one. How about this picture? This picture is made of 6 rhombus, 1 hexagon, 1 rectangle, and 1 shape like this. When you put it together, it can be look like this new form. Another example, we have kite. For you to put the smaller shapes easier, please draw the kite, and then you can now freely put and assemble your different shapes. Okay, next, here, if you want to build a bird's nest here, you can use different shapes. If you want to make a cat, a lion, and a dog. Okay, on page 775, we are going to finish the turtle without using triangles. Okay, I'll give you a minute to do that with your mom. And later on, we will check your answer if it is correct. You can start now. Great job. Okay, let's check. Please trace the shape that you put to complete the turtle. Okay. Next, page 776. We are going to solve the problems below. Number 2. Write the number of each block used to make this microphone. Okay. Decide how many triangles, how many trapezoids, how many squares, and how many rhombuses you used. Write the numbers here. Number 3. What are the two different ways to fill in this alligator? You can draw or explain how you know. Okay, so here's the answer. Number two, to use or to make a microphone, we need one triangle, one trapezoid, two squares, and one rhombus. The result will be a microphone. How about number three? What are two different ways to fill in this alligator? You can use the way number one, directly use 9 triangles. And way two, you can use 3 trapezoids. Okay, so before we end our lesson, let's read together the essential question. How can you use shape to make a picture of an object? Here's our answer. Okay, first I would think about what the picture might look like. Then I would try different combinations of pattern blocks until they look like a picture of the object. You are not just going to put any kinds of smaller shapes, but try to look at the picture and see if it is the correct object that you want to make. Okay, so good job and thank you so much for your endless participation. I hope that you learned something from me today. And please always stay indoors for your safety. Don't forget to take picture with your work and send it to our WhatsApp group. Okay? So, we are so proud of you. Great job, grade 1. Thank you so much and have a great day.